Imagine gliding silently across the ocean. The wind in your hair. The sea at your feet. A unique sunset experience. Today we get to experience one of the most beautiful ways you can enjoy a sunset in Boracay. So I can't think of a better way to wrap up this honeymoon than a lovely sunset cruise, sailing across the ocean. No motors, no exhaust, just the two of us on the side of a boat, enjoying the wonderful sunset as we cruise around the ocean.
Yes. And we have life jacket for safety, of course. But
Safety net.
we are sitting on the side of the boat, and it's really, really nice. Are you ready?
Ready for a nice, relaxing evening in the water. Well, on the water, not in the water.
Come on now.
And the weather is so nice. It will be warm by 2 We didn't know we will get wet.
Right, because we're on a boat in the middle of the ocean, and we didn't think about the idea that, hey, I might get wet.
We thought we're just gonna be sitting.
Oh, we're under full sail. Check it out.
Ooh, so there's no motor in this bangka. So they only have this big, what do you call this?
Sails.
Sails.
It's a sailboat.
As a sailboat. And we're sailing depends on the wind. Sometimes
And there's a lot of wind tonight.
Yeah, sometimes not too much. The water is calm.
The water's quite calm, yeah.
Yeah. But
There's a good stiff breeze going.
Our butt is already wet. And we can literally see the sun.
Well, we're literally sitting on a net,
Yeah.
so it's all good.
But it's really nice. It's relaxing.
Oh, we got the BBM Sarah sail.
BBM. There's a lot of BBM Sarah sail here.
There is. Well, we know who this boat owner is supporting in this election.
This one has nothing. Oh, is it BBM Sarah too?
Oh, they're all BBM Sarah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, I guess the company supports the unit. So you probably don't see us because we are, what do you call that?
We're in the sun.
Not in the sun. We're not
Well,
in
the sun is behind us directly.
True, the sun is behind us. Probably overexposure. But we're heading back.
No, that's okay. You know, there's some shots you can't help but get like over. You can't compensate for everything. I mean, in this type of light where you're directly in the sun.
This video will not justify how pretty it is in Boracay, so you must come to Boracay and experience the PARAW sailing. It's worth of your money.
This was the end of our honeymoon. But it was also the knowledge that this was the start of our lives together as husband and wife. And the start of a new chapter of both of our lives together. We both have so much more that we want to do together. And we hope that you, our YouTube family, are along for the ride. I think it's gonna storm.
Huh?
I think it's gonna storm.
Where? Oh yeah.
Look how quick the clouds got dark. We were looking this way, and the clouds are moving in.
Oh yeah. The climate has been escalated from sunny to stormy.
Well, you know what? Couldn't come at a better time. It's the end of our honeymoon.
Yeah.
And we had a great time. Both of us, first time here in Boracay. I think it was an amazing experience. And are you on your tippy toes again? I love you, sweetie. Mwah. We have another adventure coming up, but we're going to keep a secret. I sort of let the cat out of the bag a little bit. I said we're going to go somewhere cooler. So stay tuned and join us for another adventure. Love you.
Love you.